All right, guys. We are going to go through the checklist. So you should be able to find this remote learning in your shared with me in your Google Drive. So if you go into your Google Drive and click on shared with me, you'll be able to find this document called Remote Learning 2020. This is a checklist of everything from the beginning, from your first email that you received from me the week of March 25th to 27th, and then you'll notice that it's March 30th to April 3rd, and then to April 6th to April 9th. So the newest, most important information, well, the newest information is at the top. What I would like you guys to do is to go into File and make a copy. Okay, so you're going to make one of your own copies because you can't do anything with this document as it is. So you can, generally what I do is I just take this out and then it's still called the same thing. And then you just click OK and you can go into, then you will have ownership of that new document. Okay, once you're in that new document, I would like to show you guys how to cross things off without deleting them. So you could say, oh, I read a blog post, delete. But what I would like you guys to do so you can keep track of where you're at is to put, it's called a strikeout. So you're going to go into Format, you're going to go to Text, and then you're going to, strike through. Then you're going to see strike through. So you can either do these steps or you can hit Alt-Shift-5. Okay, so either way, so I'm going to go Format, Text, and then I'm going to hit strike through. So what I needed to do first is highlight this. I apologize. Then I'm going to go into Format, Text, Strike Through. Once I hit that, I have a beautiful little strike through. And I know I've done this, but it's still there. So I can see all the work that I've actually accomplished, but I know that I don't have to look at that one because I've already completed it. Okay. So if you guys could please take a look at that and make sure that you're reading this very carefully and that you're checking off of everything that is on this list. Thanks and have a great day.